Hi guys, I'm still traveling here in India and today I'm in Hyderabad. The hotel is called Westin. It's a 5-star hotel and we checked in here yesterday and we're staying here at the executive suite. So before I give you the tour of our suite so you can see what it looks like from the inside, I want to share my experience at the front desk when we arrived yesterday. So I'm coming from the US visiting India and we had to first, land in New Delhi. If you haven't checked out my Westin Hotel review in New Delhi, then go check out that video. But after, getting in New Delhi, staying a few days, we decided to come here. And the flight itself was like 2.5 hours or so, but we were exhausted because it was a long day for us. So when we arrived here at the hotel, we expected a good check-in experience, a good customer service, but unfortunately, it was a disappointment. The lady at the front, I would say, was incompetent. She was just taking forever, giving us wishy-washy answers. All we wanted was the executive suite instead of the regular room. And she just wouldn't allow us to upgrade, and she just kept saying, oh, you have to wait an hour, then she would say, yeah, you have to wait 3 hours, and it was just a nonsense experience, excuse my language, but very unacceptable from a hotel of this caliber. So it wasn't until that we got our manager's attention that we got this upgrade within like a minute. But this could have been a smooth process, but it ended up being like an 1.5 to 2 hour long ordeal. And imagine, you're coming from the US, you're catching a flight from New Delhi, and you're exhausted, and you're coming here, and then you're waiting another, couple hours in the lobby to check in. I just found that to be a disappointment. So, but with that said, I do want to tell you that the room itself is incredible. It has a lot of great things to offer, and so let me show you the inside. Hi guys, I am back with another review of this hotel called Westin here in Hyderabad. So we are in the room and you can see that there's this beautiful kitchen, microwave, stove, everything there. Then the minibar area, some water, coffee, and then another sitting area. This suite is beautiful. It's really gives you a luxury feel. So on the left here, you see the balcony, which is a really nice touch because when you open it in the morning, if you want to have your coffee, you can sit outside and enjoy the view. Hyderabad is like the IT hub and you can see these big buildings, and there you go. You can sit there and enjoy the view with your coffee, lunch, whatever you like. Now we're about to go back in the room so I can show you the rest of the things. So right there is the first half bath when you enter. Really pretty and very big size for a half bath. And then we continue on to the living area, another work desk area, another TV. This one has 2 TVs, 2 bathrooms. Now we're in the bedroom. And by the way, the bed is very comfortable. I slept like a baby. I really needed the sleep. I was so exhausted from traveling. So now you can open all of these curtains, and once again, you have a beautiful view of the outside. Hyderabad is not as congested and crazy as New Delhi, but it's really nice. So now we're going towards the master bathroom. On the left here is the closet. It's big enough. It has a safe. And now we are here in the bathroom, double sink, very nice amenities. They give you everything from dental kit to shaving kit to mouthwash, all the good stuff. The shower is a very good size, rain shower as well as a handheld, and then another toilet. So there's the tub. I'm looking forward to trying the tub, especially for the body aches and, just kind of relaxing. And now we also ordered room service. So we tried Hyderabadi biryani and some good stuff here. Now this is the hotel lobby. We're checking in. So this is another view. It's really nice and big, the hotel. And they have so many beautiful cakes. Oh, that's me. And this is the restaurant downstairs where you can have buffet like breakfast. And this is their fitness center. If you get the suite, you have your own fitness center. And here's another view of the outside of our room. As you can see, it's really a big hotel, and we were on the 21st floor. And then if you look from upstairs to downstairs, you can see everything. It's pretty nice. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If it was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more tips. And before you go, I just want to tell you my final remarks about the Hotel Westin. I believe that overall their customer service was good, except for the very beginning, as I mentioned, that mishap where we had that one person who didn't know what she was doing. Maybe it was just a staffing issue, but other than that, all the other encounters were good. And for the ladies particularly, if you want to get, a salon or any other kind of work done, then you'll be a little disappointed to know that this 5-star hotel does not have a salon, but it does have a spa. So they do offer massages and a bunch of other treatments, so do check them out. I also tried their buffet, the restaurant downstairs, which was also very good in terms of food. They have a bunch of different options. I would say that I would give this hotel a 4 out of 5. And let me know your thoughts, or if you have any comments or questions, post them below. I will talk to you later. Bye.